What's up, Multiverse? Dr. Dave here. Welcome to the Geek Lounge. I'm going to go ahead and assume that most of you, like me, are impatiently waiting for Kayou to announce the next Naruto box. Yes, we've had those badges. They are starting to hit the market now. We've even had some new connecting PR cards which are coming, which do look really cool. And I didn't even realize until one of our subscribers from Germany pointed out, it actually matches my desk mat. I can't believe I didn't actually notice it, but it does make for some cool PR cards. And so while we continue to impatiently wait for the next Naruto Kayou set, I figured let's open up one of these sought after tier 2 wave 5 boxes and see what we pull. And just like that, guys, we're all set up. We've got some sleeves, we've got the calendar with Tsuchikage & Co representing September, 30 packs in tier 2 wave 5. Let's go here then with pack number 1. I think if I remember, the hit card is in the middle. So we got Karin and Sasuke, did I just say Sasuke? Pretty good pairing there. Shikadai and Kankuro there, man, off to a poor start. And we have, we have a UR to kick things off, guys. Orochimaru in the, the third war? Was it third ninja war? Man, my memory already to start off with, really bad. But yeah, pretty sure I don't have that one. And we are starting things off with a bit of a bang here then. As I said, a UR of Orochimaru. Pack number 2, we have Sakura kicking it off for us. We have Karin once again, Kakashi, Neji, and we just have an SR of a young Sakura. Pack number 3, is it going to be the magic number? Sakura kicks this one off for us once again. We then have Naruto, we have Udon, almost dropped it there, another Sakura, and then we have an SR of Rock Lee. Fourth pack here then, guys, so we have Shikadai starting it off for us. We have a young Sasuke, never remember that dude's name, he's there on the calendar as well. We have Iruka Sensei, it's back in focus, but we just have an SR Sakura, I was about to say Sasuke. Fifth pack here then, guys, so we have that young Sasuke once again, we have a young Naruto, pretty good pairing there, Iruka Sensei once again, another young Sasuke, and we have our first ZR, guys, and it is of Naruto. You know what? I'm not sure I have the ZR Naruto. It's surely got to be... Oh no, it's number 13. I was going to say it's surely got to be number 1. But yeah, I haven't looked at my ZRs for a while, so not 100% sure, but I don't feel like I've seen it, and it is a pretty cool one. Pack number 6 here. Almost bent that there for a second. We have a Sasuke once again. We have Udon, we have Sakura once again, and we also have, we have an OR, guys. Apologies there for the focus. I'm going to bring this up to my own eyes. Huh. Oh, is it, it's her, isn't it? Kurosuchi, was that her name? I always struggle with her name, but I like kind of looked up the Tsuchikage like a few days ago for some reason. And I think that's I think that's what her name was. Like is she the daughter or the granddaughter, something like that? I can't entirely remember, but yeah, I'm pretty certain. Yeah, that's absolutely who that is. Definitely don't have this card, so very happy to pull that one and add an OR into the collection because I do really like the OR cards, very gold and sparkly. And just as I'm opening up this 7th pack, guys, I did want to ask, are there any Jujutsu Kaisen fans that watch these box openings, because Kayou have made some Jujutsu Kaisen cards. I am going to be ordering some boxes. In my opinion, they don't look as good as these Naruto ones, but there are still some pretty cool designs. And like Jujutsu Kaisen, I haven't started watching season 2 just yet, but I really need to go back and watch season 1 because I don't remember much of it at all. It was like 2 years ago, I think, when I watched it. Haven't watched the movie either. So yeah, really need to do a catch up, but definitely going to order some of those boxes so we can open those up. But let's get back to this 7th pack here, Naruto Kayou Tier 2 Wave 5. We have Kakashi, we have Gamakichi, Mitsuki, we have Sakura, and we also have its Master Jiraiya, but just an SSR. Pack number 8, come on, give me something great. CR would be amazing. I have pulled a CR before, but from tier 2 wave 6. So we have Shikadai, Sakura once again, we have Might Guy, and we have another Sakura, very Sakura centric pack. This one just an SR. Pack number 9 here. So we have that dude on the calendar whose name I never remember. We have Neji, Naruto, We have Gamabunta, I was about to say Gamakichi there, and we also have an SR of Rock Lee. Pack number 10, which puts us a third of the way there. So we have Udon starting things off, we then have Konkoro, we have Sakura, we have, I never remember that dude's name, and we just have an SR of Gurren. Pack number 11, so Iruka Sensei starts this one off for us. Sakura, I feel like I've pulled loads of Sakura cards today. Mitsuki, a young Might guy, and oh, we do have an AR of Zetsu, guys. It's a very cool one, but I think I do already have this in my collection. A hit nonetheless, so we should still be pretty happy. Our fourth hit out of, what did I say, 11 packs. So there we go, AR of Zetsu, very cool one. Pack number 12, Sakura once again, man, tons of Sakura cards today. Iruka Sensei, a young Kakashi, a young Choji, and just an SR of Konkoro. Pack number 13, is it going to be lucky or unlucky? When I did the Tier 2 Ultimate Box Battle, 2 weeks ago now I think it was, of all the 5 boxes we opened up, the 13th pack contained a hit. That was crazy. Let's see if it's the same for this box here. We have Mitsuki, pardon me. Why am I saying Mitsuri? Sakura, Kurosuchi, again, I think that's what her name was, Hanabi, and no, it is just an SSR. It was another 13th pack hit. A very cool SSR, though, of Hidan in his kind of like Grim Reaper style outfit, look. You guys know what I mean. 14th pack here then. So we have young Naruto first up. We have Sakura, Naruto once again, Rock Lee, and just an SR of Ino. 15th pack, guys, so we are at the halfway point. Man, how many Sakura cards are we going to pull today? There's a Sasuke, so that's a pretty good pairing. There is another Sakura. There is another Sasuke. What a perfect kind of double pairing there. And what do we have as a hit card? It is definitely a hit card, guys. It is a UR of, was he like the former Tsuchikage? He was like one of the reanimated ones. I know I definitely do have this in my collection already. I remember when I was looking through my URs that I had like this massive gap, and then I just had him like randomly in there in terms of the numbers, because I put all my cards together in numbered order, in rarity order, you know. This little thing down here, that's kind of the order I put all my cards in my binders. And I know a lot of people keep asking to see the collection, see everything in the binders, but to be honest, guys, I still haven't really quite got there. I'm super lazy when it comes to that stuff. Like I've probably got 60-70% of the collection all binded up, if that's even correct English, but I still need to finish off the rest. Obviously, we're adding some more here today as well, but I'll get to it eventually, and I don't really want to make any promises, but I could definitely say we'll get that video done before the end of the year. Anyway, let's get to this 16th pack again. Surprise, surprise, another Sakura. We have Might Guy, Hanabi, Gamakichi, and just an SR of Tenten. Pack number 17 here then. So, we have the young Kakashi, Gamabunta, Mogi, we have Baby Gara, and we also have, yeah, it's just an SSR, isn't it, of Conan. Still a pretty cool one, though. Pack number 18 here, so Mitsuki starts this one off for us. Never remember that dude's name. We have Naruto, we have Kakashi, and it's just an SSR, and I never remember her name either. Pack number 19 here, guys. So we have, again, Kurosuchi. I hope I'm pronouncing the name right, and I hope it is her name. Otherwise, I'm going to look very, very stupid. Young Choji. Never remember that dude's name. We have Kakashi and an SR of Sasuke. Pack number 20. So 2/3 of the way there, guys. Surprise, surprise, once again. We have Sakura. We have Might Guy, we have Rock Lee, we have Neji, and we have an SR of Kotetsu. 21st pack up here. Come on, give me something really cool. Come on, I deserve it. Just because Kayou haven't announced something for so long. Naruto, Hanabi, Yamato, Hinata, I can't believe I almost forgot her name, and just another SR of Joji. Pack number 22, Hanabi once again. I feel like we've seen this card quite a lot today as well. We have Sasuke, Mogi, that dude whose name I never remember, and we have another ZR, and it is of Tsunade. That's a pretty cool one. I think I may have it though. I think something tells me I pulled it in that Ultimate Tier 2 box battle that I did a few weeks ago. So, yeah. Either way, it's still a hit and a pretty cool one. Pack number 23. Come on. I want a really cool hit. Come on. Come on. So, Mogi, Rock Lee, Mogi once again, different card though, Sasuke, and another ZR, this one of Minato. I'm pretty sure I do have this one as well. Again, the ZR cards, I do like them a lot. Let me know in the comment section below. I think I ask this a lot. Do you guys like these ZR cards? I do. The name by the side, younger version in the foreground, the older kind of coloured silhouette, if that's the correct way to put it, in the background. I think they're pretty cool designs, to be honest. Pack number 24. So we have Naruto kicking it off for us. We then have Gamakichi, pretty good pairing there. Baby Gaara. We have a young Naruto. And we have an SR of Gaara's father. I guess a good pairing there too. Pack number 25. Sound Village dude, whose name I never remember. Baby Gaara once again. We have Karin, we have Naruto, and we have an SR of Kiba riding Akamaru. Alrighty then guys, we are down to our final 5. I'm hoping for at least one more hit. We might get one more ZR, but I'm hoping for another hit like you are and above. But let's see. Baby Gaara, the dude whose name I never remember. Konohamaru, Choji, and it's an SSR, isn't it? Yep. Of Kakazu. A pretty cool one though. Final 4. Come on, man. Give me something cool. We have Yamato, Kakashi, fairly good pairing there. We have Sakura, Naruto, and another SR, this time of Konohamaru. Final 3 packs. Rock Lee kicks this one off for us. We have Kakashi, we have Kushina, Gamabunta, and another SR, this time of Sasuke. Final 2 packs then guys, and I have to say, yeah, I'm not feeling confident we're going to get any more hits, but let's see. We have Mogi, we have Hinata, we have Sasuke, we have Sakura, and yeah, it's just an SSR, isn't it, of Naruto. Again, a pretty cool SSR though. Here we go then guys, the 30th and final pack of this Tier 2 Wave 5 box. Come on, let's finish on a bang. Even if it's a ZR, even if it's a hit for a card that I already have, I would still be a little bit happy. Here we go then. Mogi, we have Neji, we have Sai, we have Kakashi, and another SR, and it's that dude whose name I don't even remember. And well, there we go guys, that's all 30 packs opened up from this Tier 2 Wave 5 box. Let's quickly recap the hits then. We got 3 ZRs. We got this one here of Tsunade, we got Minato, as well as Naruto. I don't think I have the Naruto one in my collection, but I think I do have the others. I can never remember which number Tsuchikage he was, but we do have him. I did already have him in the collection though already. We have this Orochimaru, which I don't think I had, which is pretty cool. Definitely didn't have this OR. I think of Kurosuchi, again, I've said that name a few times, I hope I am not mistaken. And then we did also get this AR of Zetsu, which is very, very cool, but again, I think I do already have this one. So a few duplicates from our hits, but 7 in total, still not a bad box. But yeah guys, that is going to do it for today's video. So first and foremost, thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your day to spend with me here on the Geek Lounge. It is very much appreciated. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If so, be sure to give it a thumbs up, drop some comments below if you guys opened up Tier 2 Wave 5, which hits did you pull? And as always, we've got plenty more content on the way for you guys. As it relates to TCGs, we've got more One Piece, more Demon Slayer. I want to get some Pokemon cards in quite soon. I mentioned it earlier as well, I do want to grab some of those Jujutsu Kaisen Kayou boxes so we can check those out. And as it relates to Naruto Kayou, please, please, please announce a new set very, very soon. I want some new cards. I want some new art. It's been almost a year. Please hurry up. In addition to that guys, the usual Funko, Lego, statues, figures, all that fine jazz we love to play here on the Geek Lounge coming your way. Make sure you stay tuned for all of it and more. What is the easiest way to stay tuned, you ask? It's very simple. Subscribe. Hit that subscribe button appearing now down below and enable those notifications so you don't miss out on any of that future content. Over on your left is a playlist to every single Naruto Kayou box we have opened up on the channel before. Every single tier, every single wave, blister, X-Pack, special pack, everything we've opened up there for you guys to check out. Otherwise, thanks again for watching today's video, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace out, nerds!